trade. Stocks that dip low trade. Discounted prices is lit, trade. Minimize your risk, trade.
Stack up your wins, minimize loss. Never go in without checking the cost. Risk to reward, gotta stay tight. One bad move and your bag ain't right. Patience the key, don't FOMO in. Wait for the dip, then ride that trend. Options are crypto, stocks are the rest. If you move reckless, you'll fail the test.
Trade, set, stop, loss, tight, trade. Pick entries, right, trade. Don't chase the hype, trade. Stay sharp, take flight. Charts don't lie, but emotions do. Stick to the plan, let the numbers prove. Candles be talking, you gotta read. Patterns repeat, that's all you need. MACD crossing, volume up high. RSC low, that's a strong buy. Mind on the markets, no second guess. Strategy locked, now go invest. Trade, know what you doing. Trade, keep it pursuing. Trade, trends keep moving. Trade, winners stay fluid. Trade. Trends keep moving. Trade moving. Keep it pursuing. Trends keep moving. Trade. Trade. Keep it pursuing. Trade. Trends keep moving. Trade.